Hi all, welcome to Scodeen Global. Today we will take feedback from one of our very successful student. Hi Amitabh, welcome to Scodeen Global. First of all, many congratulations for your successful career. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for having me here today. And I would like to just put some highlights on the journey that I have with the Scodian. And I would like to just represent the Scodian as best in India because I have been being a student in the Scodian. It's a great honor for me to be here today and just to represent it.
Okay, so Amitabh, tell us about yourself and your background.
Hi, I'm Amitabh and I'm from Maharashtra, Mumbai. And I did my civil engineering in the Mumbai University, and I was working in a small organization in a call center actually for up to 3 years. And I can say that I was not satisfied with my job because due to some reasons actually, because the reason behind the job that I was not satisfied with was actually the night shift as well as the salary. I can say it was the biggest thing for me to handle for the future, and it was a night shift and as well as the salary. That was the reason of the frustration actually, I can say.
Okay. So Amitabh, tell us frankly where you got the information about Scodeen Global.
Very frankly speaking, to be honest, I always try to search a lot of software engineering related courses and IT, IT courses I can say, and I always try to find it out. And suddenly I can say that it was a miracle for me, and that I got a message from one of my friends, and he is actually working in the software domain. So he just explained me everything, and I was actually confused which technology I have to join and where I will join, what is going to happen next. And after that, it was a miracle for me that day actually, when I got a message from my friend and he told me about this institute, and he told me what are you doing actually right now, because the market is it's IT is booming right now. What are you doing actually? And that day I came to know that I asked him a lot of things, and he told me a lot of things about the institute, and I told him to refer me here actually. And after that, what happened actually when I when I got through, I was literally, I can say, the shock. I was shocked when I saw the information, because he told me go through the Insta page and their YouTube channel. And when I got through the information, so I was totally shocked, I can say, yeah, because I saw the information, like, because people were being placed with 13, 14, 21 lakhs and 80 lakhs, and I was a bit confused with that, how it's going to happen, because it's too much. The package is going, people candidates are taking. So this is what I can say about that. I got the information from a friend, especially.
Very interesting.
Yeah,
Why you got shocked actually?
I got shocked due to some several reasons, I can say, because I asked my friend that if this institute is having such kind of a beautiful architecture, I can say, then how come I'm not able to know about this? Because people in India are having a lot of things, and I can say that they see a lot of information, but this institute stands with a beautiful architecture. But my friend actually, he told me actually that this institute, actually it stands with zero marketing, and this institute does not have any like kind of marketing agency. And he told me that they never try to expand their businesses and everything. So he told me that they focus only on the study. And it was a great thing to hear from my friend, because after that, when I came to know, once I joined the central group, and after that, what happened actually, he explained me everything. When I entered the central group, it was shocking. It was shocking for me to see the environment, to see the the teachers, the faculty, that what they were just trying to teach the candidates, because it was absolutely highest candidate, and it was actually more than IT students that, and they were staying in the in the classroom, and they were just attending class, and IT students. It was miracle for me to see that situation, and I'm staying in with them, and I'm just learning the engineering courses and everything. And what I did actually that time, I actually called HR, and she told me actually, and that everything. And after that, with the help of communicating with the HR, I just joined the central group actually. And this is how I can say, tell you, this is where I got the information, and I was shocked actually.
It's very great. So Amitabh, please share your experience with Scodeen.
Yeah, to be honest, my experience is being a wonderful with the Scodian. I want to attach the Scodian is the best place actually, because because I want to attach it as the best place, because I have seen a lot of institutes in India actually who follows the, every institute in India follows the business model actually. But in Scodeen, I have seen that this institute is actually not
it doesn't follow any business
model actually.
Yeah.
And I came to know a lot of things here. And when I came to know about the price, I was totally surprised actually.
Yeah.
Because the price, the technology, whatever this technology Scodeen provides actually, is totally wonderful, because the price is very low, only 25,000. Yeah, and the 25,000 price and the huge output, I can say. Because I can say when I got the job, when I got the placement actually, and I was totally shocked, because it was actually the thing that was beyond my expectations.
Yeah.
Because I had not expected this thing from
This
the Scodeen. Yeah,
amount.
because very less amount and the huge, very less amount and the huge output I got from the Scodeen. And the technology, whatever the Scodeen provides, is actually the data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, and everything, every booming technology which is booming in the IT sector right now. And that's the Scodeen which provides actually. And the huge, and the faculty here is totally different, because I haven't seen the faculty anywhere in the world. Because I have, till my bachelor's, I have seen a lot of teachers, but the mentorship here is totally wonderful, because there is no rule. Because whatever the question you want to ask at any time, you can ask. You can ask anytime, because the faculty is totally wonderful. And I can say that Scodeen provides 100%. There is no rule for that thing, because not any single institute in India provides the 100% placement guarantee. Because I have seen a lot of things, and one of my friends also, but only the Scodeen is the institute that it's a miracle for me that I have been being a student of the Scodeen, because Scodeen only is the institute for me actually, and I can refer it. It's the best in India, because 100% placement guarantee with a less amount, I can say.
Okay, Amitabh, tell us how you choose your technology and who guides you.
See, actually, what I understand here, the technology Scodeen provides is superb, and they have integrated every technology.
Everything,
They have integrated everything. You can set in any technology and you can continue. There is no rule for that, and whatever the candidate wants, they can continue. But the thing actually, I was myself getting confused when I had to choose the technology, because
there are so many technologies.
And a lot of technologies and a lot of verticals and a lot of domains they collect, they integrate. I myself was getting actually confused. With the help of HR, I just connected with the HR, and HR guided me. And sometimes HR was getting confused, and that time they transferred my call to the other stakeholders of the team, and they guided me everything. They told me a lot of things, like you can do the machine learning, Python data science, and you can do like artificial intelligence course and everything, and whatever the technologies are there, and they guided me. But after that, I had to choose one technology. I prefer to join as a test engineer. And after that, in test engineer, what was the best thing in test engineer for me? Because actually there was a Python data science they had included, included in the course, and that was the best. This is how I chose my technology.
Okay, Amitabh, tell us why you chose Scodeen.
Yeah, actually, I can say that Scodeen, I met with an accident, which actually changed my whole life. Actually, I can say, because when I came in the central group, and when I was, I came to the central group, and that time, what happened actually, when I saw the students and when I saw the environment, I was totally, I was surprised, I can say, because it was a surprising environment for me, as I told you earlier, that IIT students and more candidates were there, which was beyond my expectation, that I sometimes can be in that, in that classroom. And that changed my whole life actually. And when I saw the performance report actually, and that was a surprising thing for me, because the nearly performance report, 3,000 4,000 candidates have been already placed by this Scodeen, and it was really wonderful and absolutely brilliant.
Okay, what are challenging area you faced during the interview?
First of all, I never faced any challenge, because the technology and the technology and they guide us is more than the syllabus actually. They teach a lot of things in the classroom, because not only in terms of like the study, and they teach a lot of corporate things that a candidate need to be focused on.
Yeah.
And they take actually the mock interviews, 2-3 mock interviews happening, and if the candidate gets failed in the first mock interview, then after they take second, then after third, and after that what happens actually, they design the resume. And the resume is actually, it's more than the IITN profile. And they never allow the candidate to just design the resume himself. And they actually design it actually by their own. And in an interview, for that thing, in an interview, I got a lot of respect from my from my HR team, and from my employer, I can say. And what happens actually, the thing actually was, I had 5 rounds of interview.
Amazing.
Yeah, 5 rounds. When I got the job, and that time I had 5 rounds of interview. Actually, first round was HR round, and then after there was a technical round, and third round was a super managerial round, and fourth round was director round. And when I was seeing this kind of a situation, and after that, when I came to know that director told me that you have a client round, and it was an amazing thing for me. And client was from actually the France, and I gave the client interview, and that was totally amazing for me.
Amitabh, how's your experience inside the organization?
To be honest, my experience is being wonderful inside the organization, because the practical implementation and the mock interview they take inside the organization, what happens actually is the same thing is happening there. Because lots of things they guide us, because I haven't faced any kind of a challenge or the difficulties I can see inside the organization. Once I got once I got the entry, with respect to my knowledge, with respect to my interview standard, manager, my HR manager assigned me to just train other team members and to give them a training with related to the and my team lead actually he have just assigned me to just give the training to the other team members, and with respect of my interview standard, I can say. And that's what is happening with me right now. And I have faced a lot of good things inside the organization due to my interview standard and due to the resume actually they make.
Amazing to hear this.
Yeah, this is actually what happens actually inside the organization.
Okay, so Amitabh, at last, please describe Scodeen in very short.
You have asked me to describe Scodeen in short. In simple, I'll tell you that Scodeen is the best. Scodeen is totally best in India.
Thank you so much.
And especially in the Pune. And it's the best in India, and I can refer it to the whole world right now.
That's really amazing.
Yeah, because the simple thing I would like to tell you that simply the business is education, and education is business actually. And I think the Scodeen follows the second one. Education is a business. Because these are not my words, I can say, because this is the Scodeen tagline. Yeah.
Amitabh, honestly, the quality of your feedback is very impressive and great.
Yeah, it's been a wonderful day for me to be here today and to just represent my thoughts about the Scodeen, and to represent the my journey, and that is with the Scodeen that I have. And I have a good journey, I can say. And I would like to say that if anyone wants to do the IT course or any course, I would recommend them to go with the Scodeen, because 100% placement with less investment and huge guarantees there, and huge placement opportunities there. So I would like to tell the audience that don't miss it, and don't miss the courses that the Scodeen is providing.
Thank you for your genuine feedback for Scodeen. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.